Welcome to Security Brief Nigeria. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to our channel. The headline: Nigerian Air Force says 11 officers C-130 aircraft seized in Burkina Faso not yet released, denies spy mission. The news in details. The NAF spokesperson also rejected claims that 11 crew members and engineering personnel on board were intelligence officer or espionage specialists, stressing that they were stranded air crews and mission support officers on a legitimate military air movement. The Nigerian Air Force (NAF) has dismissed claim alleging that one of its C-130 military transport aircraft was forced to land in Burkina Faso on suspicious of espionage, insisting that the aircraft was on routine maintenance, ferry flights, and was never involved in any covert operation. In a statement issued on Monday, Air Commando Ehimen Ejodame, Director of Public Relations and Information, described the report as misleading, accusing Purveyor of deliberately spreading disinformation to inflame public sentiment and strain regional relations. According to Ejodame, the aircraft was on duly authorized ferry flights to Portugal for scheduled periodic depot maintenance, a mandatory life cycle requirement for military transport aircraft, and had no operational or intelligence mission of any kind in Burkina Faso. The aircraft in question was on duly authorized ferry flights to Portugal for scheduled periodic depot maintenance and therefore had no operational taxing or mission of any kind, the statement read. He explained that the flight was covered by all necessary documentation, including provision for diversion in line with international aviation procedures, adding that the precautionary landing at Bobo Dioulasso in Burkina Faso was carried out strictly on safety grounds and in full compliance with standard aviation protocols. At no time was the aircraft intercepted, forced to land, or found operating without authorization. Claims of airspace violation or hostile intent are fabrication intended to misinform and inflame public sentiment, Ejodame said. The NAF spokesperson also rejected claims that the 11 crew members and engineering personnel on board were intelligence officers or espionage specialists, stressing that they were stranded or standard air crew and mission support officers on a legitimate military air movement. Equally baseless are allegations of espionage, SIGINT operation, foreign sponsorship, or the involvement of other external network, he added. Nothing, nothing that the aircraft was not equipped, with any surveillance or data collection system. That is to debunk the idea that it was a spy. Because if an aircraft is on a spy mission, there are some equipment that the aircraft need to carry, a spy equipment. So Ejodame further clarified that, contrary to speculations on social media, the Nigerian Air Force never announced that the crew had been released. He stressed that engagement between the NAV personnel and Burkinabe authorities had remained professional, with the crew in contact with their families. He said issues relating to the aircraft and its personnel were being handled by relevant Nigerian government ministries and agencies through established diplomatic channels in line with international norms and bilateral relations. They continued circulation. The continued circulation of these narratives reflects a deliberate disinformation effort aimed at discrediting Nigeria, undermining trust, and straining regional relations. The statement said. The Air Force urged Nigerians to rely on verified information, remain calm and discerning, and resist the spread of sensational claims capable of undermining national cohesion and regional stability. Constructive scrutiny is welcome in democracy, but the amplification of falsehoods only serves the interests of those who seek to weaken national cohesion and undermine Nigerian standing. Ejodame added, calling for patriotism, responsibility, and confidence in national institutions. That's end the news in details. Okay, if I may ask, what's your own reaction to this? Nigeria, once again, Nigerian government, they are once again denying that they were not on spy mission to Burkina Faso. That is number one. Number two, that the aircraft was for maintenance heading to Portugal. And Portuguese government has also debunked that that flight was not coming to Portugal. So, which way Nigeria? I know, I know very well that military capability, the numbers of Nigerian army are more than that of Burkina Faso. From my research, the numbers of armored vehicle Nigeria has is more than that of Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso is a small country in West Africa. Okay, Nigeria has all the capability to enter Burkina Faso. Everything Nigeria has it to do it. But what's keeping Nigeria to go and rescue the innocent 11 soldiers detained for trial in Burkina Faso, because they are now detained for trial. Burkina Faso is taking it very serious. They are taking it to underground prison for trial. This one that the spokesperson of the NAF Navy, Nigerian Air Force, beg your pardon, is saying those officers are communicating with their families. I don't seem to understand, because Burkina Faso has already gotten out of West Africa organization called the ECOWAS. They are now in Sahel AES. They have their own. So how are they giving you the opportunity to enter there and communicate so you can even call your family? Military action, junta leader, they don't operate that way. Once they catch you, information is gone. All your communication equipment will be seized. Please, guys, what's your opinion? We want to see it in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you like this video, share it, like, comment. Lastly, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye for now.